Fancy friends, I don't have a fancy edit for y'all, but I do have something to say. Let me tell y'all about Danielle. Danielle is the strong friend, not because she asked to be, but because life assigned it to her. She's the one who sends the money, the one who researches doctors, the one who organizes the family group chat when something goes wrong. She doesn't panic, she performs. If somebody's breaking down, she shows up with solutions. If somebody's short on rent, she figures it out. If her man is stressed, she becomes his therapist. But the other night, she sat in her car in her own driveway and cried before she went inside. Not one dramatic sob, just silent tears, exhaustion tears. And here's the part that gets me. Nobody knows she's tired because she never lets them see it. People call her resilient. They say, "You always land on your feet." They praise her independence, but nobody ever asks, who holds you? And she's scared that if she ever drops the cape, if she ever says, "I can't," if she ever stops being useful, she'll stop being loved. So she keeps performing strength and starving for softness. If this resonates with you, when did being strong become your personality instead of just the season? Who shows up for you without you having to earn it? Have you confused being needed with being loved? What would happen if you allowed yourself to be seen struggling? Now, it is cool, well, fine, and dandy to show up for everybody else in your life. It's wonderful. That's how you maintain relationships, platonic and romantic and family relationships. It's by showing up for people, providing support, being there, being useful, being helpful. However, you should be receiving that in return. If you're always the one showing up for someone, but every time you need someone to show up for you, there's nobody there, you need to start reassessing who you're allowing to be close to you, who you're allowing to be in your inner circle. All relationships are I scratch your back, you scratch my back type of situation. So if you steady scratching backs and every time your back itch, you got to get up against the wall. No. It's time to reevaluate. It's time to reassess. And it's time to look for people who are able to see you and show up for you. Because even though you show up resilient and strong, even though you always land on your feet, that does not mean you don't want or need help. That does not mean that the people in your life should just do nothing and bring nothing. They can see what you need just like you saw what they needed when you helped them. If somebody is never offering to be of assistance to you, never offering to take anything off of your plate, make your load lighter, make your life easier, show up for you in the same way that you're showing up for them, it will behoove you to cut them off. Now, am I saying that everybody has to provide something for you at the same level as the next person? No, not at all. There may be some people in your life who do not have the financial means to help you financially. That does not mean they can't show up for you in other ways. That doesn't mean that they can't just show up to support you. That doesn't mean that they can't send you a nice message congratulating you or thanking you or uplifting you. Support is one of the easiest things to give. A simple share on social media, a simple comment on social media, all of that is support. And it may seem light and it may seem like nothing, but if someone can never show up to support you, you will get tired of showing up to support them. It's not counting favors. It's simply wanting someone to be there for you, allow you to lean on them the same way they lean on you, and you're there for them. You're not wrong for wanting that. You're not even wrong for asking for that. Granted, if you want to know my truth, I feel like you should not have to ask. I feel like if you are already showing up for them, you're already supporting them, they should just automatically be returning the favor. And if they don't know how to support you, they can ask, hey, what do you need that can make your week easier this week? Hey, how can I show up for you? How can I support you? You're always supporting me. It's so easy to ask those questions if you really want to do that for someone. Stop taking on everything by yourself. I know for me, I have coined this my season of help. I want all the help I can get. I want people who are going to help me to get to where I'm trying to go. Even if all they have to offer is some good constructive criticism. It's help. Constructive criticism aids in growth. So in this season, it's time to stop always being the one to do everything for everybody else when no one does anything for you. Show up for people who show up for you. Support people who support you. It's time out for allowing people to use you. It's well and good. It's wonderful to give people the benefit of the doubt. Oh, how nice and sweet to give people the benefit of the doubt. But when are you going to doubt the benefit? Some people are just dead weight. They are just around to see what they can get from you. And if they can't give you anything, the answer should be nothing 9 times out of 10. As always, fancy friends, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but I am going to tell you what it is.